So welcome on my channel. Actually, for a while I didn't really know how to start this video, but I guess we just need to keep going. So mainly I'm Tom, and what I do is I'm an entrepreneur and I want to build a personal brand online. And the best thing I found for me is just to share what I do, because a lot of time you either show what you've done or you show what you are doing, and that's the key. Because when you're trying to build a personal brand, you need to find what type of content you want to build and share with people. And at that point, I don't really have anything to show, any result, but I do have a lot of stuff going on. So this is what we are going to talk, and I'm going to share everything with you. Mainly, this video is the introduction of my channel, and I'm doing two main things. I have first an app that I'm working on, to that I want to produce to be able to help content creators on their journey to grow an audience and to monetize and be successful online. So, and this is going to be about that, sharing my journey of building that app, building my online business, and the struggle I face. What are the things I'm struggling with, and also what are the key elements that I'm learning along the way to get better and improve. And on the other side, this is going to be also on the not the personal side, but more like productivity side, because yeah, having such an app, and you will see when I will show you the app in detail, uh, I have a lot of work to do, and probably any business, whatever the business you're in, you probably have insane amount of work to do. And so that, of course, about how prioritizing things in a day to get the most out of each day, but also this is about prioritizing what is important right now and what you need to do later. And so that's we are going to talk about a lot of that. Um, Also, and that's something you don't know, but I'm actually building another business which led me to that business initially, which is a business of golf. I want to create an online golf business of creating content and sharing my experience as a golfer, trying to get to the PGA Tour, to the PGA Tour level, become a pro and get to that level. And so this app, uh, when I started actually this journey, trying to build this online golf business, I realized how tough that is for people to actually do. And mostly content creators or experts that want to share their knowledge and build an income using the knowledge of their expertise. This don't necessarily have a technical knowledge, which I have because my in my past I am a former data scientist, so I have and my actual degree is financial engineering and data science and statistics, I believe. Yeah, but anyway, so that's a lot of programming, a lot of maths, and so on. So I have a pretty technical background, and I realized that okay, maybe with the golf side, I can provide a little value to golfers, but the problem I'm facing is actually something that a lot of people are facing every day when they want to start online. There is so much barrier to entry when you are getting started, and I realize that's really difficult. And but that doesn't have to be. When I mean it's difficult, it's you have a lot of tools that you need to use just to get started, and a lot of them are actually paid. And so my aspiration at the beginning, and I still want to go over in the long run towards that, but it's mainly about building a free app for people to get started and grow an online business. But that's when reality kicks in. When you're because developing such an app takes first of all a lot of time, and also you have some infrastructure cost. I need to rent out servers. I need to uh, AI. I'm using a lot of AI to actually just to program to develop. But anyway, I have some cost, and also since I'm working on that, I don't have an income on the side. So that's a lot of things that's going on. So I need to face the reality that, okay, over the long term, maybe I want to build that app that everyone can use, and that's okay. That's the long term vision, and that's fine. But over the short term, I need to focus on business, because this is kind of the dreamy aspiration of the beginner that is getting started in business, and then you have the reality that kicks in. And that's mainly that, because a true business generally need money to work. And also, that's part of that. I'm building all of that because I need money. I'm going to be honest, to go to the US and pursue my dream of becoming a professional player. And if you want to follow my journey, you can go ahead and just. I have another channel which is Tom Forest Golf, which where I document my journey of going to the pro level. Anyway, so well, yeah, I'm blackout. So yes, the idea is, and that's a lot of things that we are going to talk in the next video. That is going to come just after, where okay, I have this app. It's big. It's really big, and it's going to take. My estimate is about 5 years total to really get the thing I want. So I cannot just go with that. So I have a lot of things that I need to handle, and regarding the business model and so on, the way I'm going to produce the app progressively, maybe build mini apps and so on. There is a lot of things going on that I'm going to share with you that may help you actually with your business to be able to make money and grow your business. Because this is you can have a great product, but if the business model around it is not good, you will fail. And so, okay, anyway, that's enough for this introduction. I hope this is something that will interest you. This is just my journey of building my online business, growing my personal brand, and so if you like it, just subscribe and go watch the next video.